I'm Patrick Reams with Comtech Advisory. Welcome back to our latest edition of Conversations with Leaders in CTRM Technology. Today we're very pleased to have with us Mr. Frank Brienzi, CEO of Allegro. Frank, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Patrick. It's great to have you back here again,
Absolutely.
especially in our new headquarters.
Yeah, no, it's my first time here. Very impressed. Very nice facility.
Excellent. Thanks for being here. Thank you.
Speaking of congratulations, FEA. Let's talk about that. You just recently announced the acquisition. Can you give us a little background on the deal, kind of the strategy associated with FEA and how?
Absolutely. Yes. FEA, Financial Engineering Associates. They've been in the market for decades. Really three great things about the acquisition. If there could be a perfect acquisition, this was almost one of those, right? Okay. We have a combined client base where we serve multiple clients in many geographies that are very similar. It's extremely complementary to all of our Allegro offerings and our core offerings, and further differentiates us in the market and against our competitors. FEA, when we always talk about Allegro around pricing and valuation and allowing traders to see their portfolio better, so on and so forth, FEA enhances that around pricing, around valuation, specifically around decision support and asset optimization. So it's a perfect fit for all of our products and helps us enhance and differentiate in the market. For example, right, they have a product called Storage and Storage Plus. And that product is focused around real options-based decision support, optimization, and valuation for storage facilities. That's something that we had in a very basic form, but this further enhances that and combines perfectly with our offerings in the market with our clients. So last week I was in Tokyo with multiple clients. This week I was in Houston with several of our clients. And there is such a buzz about FEA. Some of them had the product and wanted to continue to talk and see how we could expand our relationship. Some of them did not have the product, but were very impressed that we had purchased that. They immediately can see the value and how to couple that with Horizon and help them make better decisions. And that's what Allegro is all about. We want to continue to innovate, further enhance our product for the value of our clients. And we think this is a perfect fit. And we're really super excited about it to take it to market.
Well, good. And again, congratulations
on
the acquisition. I know it's a long time in coming, a lot of back and forth, and good to see you got close.
Right.
So that's great.
Good.
Speaking of acquisitions, let's look at the broader market. We see ION's been out there recently making several acquisitions in the space and really consolidating quite a few vendors underneath kind of a portfolio strategy of theirs. Is this a trend you expect to continue to see? Is it something that's healthy for the marketplace to do that level of consolidation, reducing the number of vendors in the marketplace?
Well, I think you can look at it two different ways, right? It's always a bit concerning when you see consolidation because I think that gives our client base less offerings and capability in the marketplace. The ION acquisition of OpenLink, we don't really see anything different. We're going to continue. Our strategy hasn't changed. We have the most modern platform out in the market today. We continue to innovate and differentiate on that. FEA is another perfect example where we're extending our capability where we don't think our competitors are and providing extreme value to our clients. OpenLink has been and will be a formidable competitor of ours in the marketplace, but we continue to spend a lot of money in innovation on our products and deliver for our clients and remain client focused. So, my job and my leadership's job is to stay focused on our client base and deliver value, and that's what we'll continue to do. We like the space we're in right now, right? We think we're extremely competitive. Over half the deals that went to decision last year went our way. So that's an extremely high win rate. And we think that's a testimony to our product, our people, and our customer service.
Great. Speaking of innovation, we look at the broader market at Comtech, and the themes we're consistently hearing are cloud, modularization, emerging technologies, all of these things kind of culminating and really pointing to the vendors supporting these businesses and what we view as kind of a fundamental shift in the marketplace. How is Allegro adopting to this, what we see as a fundamental shift? And what are your clients expecting of you in that way?
Yeah, I think this industry is a bit behind, say, financial services from a cloud, from blockchain perspective, everything that's out there today. We continue to work with our partner in Microsoft. We're a complete integrated .NET shop. So we continue to work with Microsoft on Azure. We have multiple clients now up and running live on Horizon, both in a private and a public cloud setting on Azure. So we continue to enhance that offering. We came out with our mobile offering, which is cloud-based. So we continue to evolve. We're trying to stay ahead of the curve. With blockchain, we had very, very good discussions with our partners, with PwC and Deloitte and Accenture, who are heavily invested in that. We're staying current with the consortiums in Europe and North America on where people are taking that. So Allegro is never going to be out leading a blockchain consortium. But we need to be part of that, remain relevant in the marketplace, and be ready for those technologies when they come. So our engineering team is very up to speed on that, works very closely with our partners in anticipation of that. Modularization we think is important. That's always been a goal for Horizon. We continue to develop around the aspect of being able to deliver product families to our clients, because we know that's how they buy, that's how they run their shop, that's how they want to upgrade, that's how they want to test. So we continue to evolve that product. So again, we're happy with where we're at. We continue to drive quality and customer satisfaction into our product and our client base. I know Mike, who's our Chief Strategy Officer, is laser focused on that, continues to do that. We had I think as you know, we had a great summit in Houston, record number of clients and partners. We got a lot of good feedback, so we're progressing. I'm pleased with where we're at.
Good, good. Speaking of where we're at, where do you see this market in 5 years? Let's bring that back around to the consolidation question. Are we seeing in 5 years from now just a couple of large vendors managing 80-90% of the marketplace? Or do you see that it's going to continue to be a bit of a fractionated market over time, as we see now with almost 100 vendors in this space?
Yeah, I think you'll have a couple large providers, right, who have a broad ability to manage multiple commodities. Hence, that's why we continue to build out metals and ag, so that we can have a broader, more resilient set of offerings for our clients. Obviously, OpenLink will probably still be relevant. I think you'll see some smaller tier players that will be out in the marketplace. So I don't see a dramatic shift. I hope the macro commodity market allows us to continue to grow with our clients. We've seen now that a lot of our clients have stabilized. They went through a tremendous shock to their balance sheet and the way they do business, and we see that coming back. So I think that will help us continue to grow and grow with our client base. The LNG market's on fire. Yeah, probably a bad term. The LNG market is very vibrant.
Absolutely.
With Japan and Australia, multiple traders in Houston. We work with 3 or 4 of the top companies in that space. We think that's going to continue to grow. We think our core markets continue to grow. We're excited about a new midstream offering that we have out that will continue to enhance. That's a vibrant area of the market. So again, we're trying to stay where the growth in the market is, but also stay focused on our core products, power, gas, for our core client base, because that's still where most of our clients are, and we're dedicated and continue to enhance those product sets.
Well, good, good. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
I think we're out of time, unfortunately, but
Great.
It's always great to sit down and visit with you, and I appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
All right.
So that's it for this episode of Conversations with Leaders in CTRM. Again, I want to thank Mr. Frank Brienzi for stopping by and visiting with us, and look for additional videos in the future at our corporate website, contechadvisory.com, or the CTRM Center at ctrmcenter.com. Thanks a lot.